Hi, welcome to the Cloud Management Virtual App. In this video, we'll see how to install Virtual Machine Manager. So for Virtual Machine Manager, we require SQL Server 2012 and Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit to be installed as a prerequisite. So we saw how to install SQL Server 2012. Now we'll see how to install Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. So for installing Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, we need to download the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit from the Microsoft website. So here we have the setup. We start the installation, click next, join the customer experience, so we'll say no, click next, accept the agreement and choose the features and install. So here the installation is done and click on close. So this is how we install Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. So in the next video we'll see how to install Virtual Machine Manager 2012 R2. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you would like the video. Goodbye.